by the system and you are not aware. So, EC form, it's a receipt to apply, it does not guarantee a house. It's a receipt you have applied for a house, but it does not guarantee you a house. So when most of the C form, kuna processes to use a subsidy application process. Last to check on kono ukuthi uyayimeet any criteria yokuthi uthole indlu government yamahala. And kukhona abantu who were rejected in the system and they are not aware and they are sitting with the C form. So now, what we had agreed upon, Councillor Ushan, Councillor Umdaka will engage with you as well, with my office, because local Sawen are assisting our applicants, especially Labama 90s. Moba Utolo Utumuntu, Upetisi form Ganti, ending Mamake or Gabok Wake, who is as a beneficiary and the system same kick out and Aleko away. Utolo Utumuntu Petisi form. Kanti wayishadile akangadivorce lo muntu ayishade nayo only property and then akekho aware. Yeah. So now that's why let's insist. So let's molanyana summit ke esizoyenza. Ngizofuneka ngize ne team from the office. Sizohlala hall. Bese niza nama form A. Nizoyichecka bese bekutshena ukuthi wena over application was right when over application you were rejected and these were the reasons why you got rejected. Ngoba isystem yathi nabantu abaningi kodwa abantu abaningi abakhona abanye babo they don't qualify. Ngizokwenza nje example ngeJohannesburg. MEC 1996 we received in Johannesburg 101,000 applications. Kodwa 76,000 were rejected. And those applicants are not aware that they were rejected. So it's by when Masipala engage and our system, bese kutholakala ukuthi lo ulispecial beneficiary endlini yakubo lona bekashadile nomuntu owner indlu lona omunye bekasebenza kahle nepension right wa rejectwa at that time. Kodwa akazi ngokuhle nesifo. So ke ilebe ngifuna ukuqala ngayo ngoba baningi abantu abaphethe ama-forms bayakhala kanti uthola ukuthi abanye they don't qualify. But nansi enye predicament